My pumpkin loaf is delicious, brilliant. My pumpkin loaf.
How's that pumpkin loaf there, Kelly?
My pumpkin loaf is delicious, Brittany.
That's good.
So, there's a technical difficulty texting my friend with my pumpkin loaf and my juice. I love her.
I love her.
But I can't call because she can't call me right now because we have pumpkin loaf. I have a pumpkin loaf and she doesn't. Hello? Yes? Yes? Alright. Alright. Mr. Shit just called me. He does not appreciate me eating my pumpkin loaf when I talk to him. The priest did not appreciate it either. I'm trying to eat my pumpkin loaf to have a camera in my face.